Tonight, let's travel to the ancient mountains of Gifu. Deep in the quiet valleys lies the town of Seki, where the finest blades in Japan have been forged for over 800 years. Our first word means sword.
Katana, katana.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
刀が光っています。
Inside the darkened forge, the master smith begins his work. The only light comes from the glowing coals as he heats the raw steel, preparing it for the long journey ahead. Our next word means flame.
炎、炎。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
炎が赤く燃えています。
He strikes the glowing metal with his heavy hammer. Fold after fold, layer after layer, he purifies the steel. It takes incredible strength and focus to shape the blade. Our next word means strength.
力、力。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼の力は強いです。
After days of folding and shaping, the blade is ready for the most critical moment, the quenching. He plunges the red-hot steel into cool water, locking its shape forever. Our next word means water.
水、水、水、水。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
水が冷たいです。
Finally, the polisher takes over, spending weeks refining the surface until it gleams like a mirror. A true masterpiece is born, reflecting the soul of its maker. Our last word means mirror.
鏡、鏡。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
鏡のように美しいです。
Just as the smith slowly refines the steel, sleep gently restores our own minds and bodies. Close your eyes and let the quiet rhythm of the forge carry you away. Good night.
おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。
Rest well.
明日も良い一日になりますように。